Hello and welcome to another database tutorial from Samuel's Public Library, where we show you how to use some of the databases that you have free access to with your library card. So today we're going to talk about BrainFuse or HelpNow, which is a really great studying resource. So to get to it, you start from our website, samuelslibrary.net. You can go to Services up here at the top, down to Databases, click on that, and then Kids and Teens, and then BrainFuse or HelpNow is the blue and white logo down here, and go ahead and click View Resource. So through this resource, you can get live tutoring several hours throughout the day. As you can see here, it says 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. And then you can also get writing advice. So you can send in your essay and well, all you have to do is send in your essay and then you get feedback on it, expert feedback within 24 hours. Skill Surfer is really cool. Say you're in middle school and you need a little help with math. Well, you just go ahead and click on that, and then they break down, as you can see, they've got different practice tests, but then they also break it down into different concepts. So the ratios, the number system, expressions and equations, geometry, statistics. So they break it down, and then within that, even just smaller concepts. And they have videos that really make things more understandable, and they have quizzes and practice tests. And then down here at the bottom, they even have flashcards, which is very helpful. So let's see. We also have language help, so you can learn French and Spanish through them. They even have quizzes and games and flashcards as well. So lots of wonderful things through BrainFuse and HelpNow that you have free access to through the library. All you need is your library card and you are good to go.